Ahead of the new school year, Kaiser Permanente announced local school districts, in Colorado will receive $1.5 million in grants over the next 3 years. The grants are designed to help districts to focus on the mental health of their students and teachers. News 5's RENAE Skinner joining us live this morning to explain more about who will get this money in our area and how it will be used. Good morning, RENAE.
Good morning, Ira. At a time where there is just so much worry on all sides from parents and teachers on how in the world are we going to send our kids safely back to school, mixed in with budget cuts, this grant couldn't have come at a better time. In fact, Pueblo School District 70 was awarded a $300,000 Kaiser Permanente Thriving Schools grant. Teachers within the district will get training on how to spot trauma in their students. As schools plan to reopen after being closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, grant funds will also be available to support their COVID-19 prevention efforts in each school district, including sanitation, hygiene, expanded testing, social distancing efforts, and safe meal distributions to food insecure students. In addition to the Thriving Schools mental health and COVID-19 prevention grant funding, Kaiser has plans in place to begin offering schools a unique virtual platform for learning about and identifying and living with mental health needs.
Having the focus be on just one portion of the school community's mental health wouldn't cover the whole spectrum of folks in the school community who have needs to have their emotional health supported. So having this grant funding be supportive of not just students, but also of teachers and staff and the whole school communities is a key part of making programs like this successful.
Now, plans include expanding the availability of programs like Rise Up. This is such an important program. It's a complimentary learning session for school staff, administrators, and teachers designed to foster resilience and support school staff. Schools who also receive this grant money, will also get the chance to participate in workshops surrounding mental health needs. These workshops will help them be able to break down stigmas, provide resources for teens and teachers. We'll talk more about where this money will support District 70 coming up. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. RENAE Skinner, News 5.